Green tea is considered a superfood. This antioxidant-rich substance has gotten a lot of attention, and rightfully so. This video will look at the benefits of green tea, why you should drink it every day, how to drink it, and side effects. What is green tea? Drinking 3 to 5 cups of green tea each day appears to be the most beneficial to one's health. Some people may be sensitive to heavy quantities of green tea, but the benefits greatly exceed the risks. In fact, increasing your consumption of green tea may have a significant positive impact on your health. How much green tea should you drink a day? Drinking 3 to 5 cups of green tea each day appears to be the most beneficial to one's health. Some people may be sensitive to heavy quantities of green tea, but the benefits greatly exceed the risks. In fact, increasing your consumption of green tea may have a significant positive impact on your health. How much caffeine is in green tea? The amount of caffeine in a cup of green tea is determined by how it was cultivated and processed, as well as how it was brewed. However, an 8 ounces cup of green tea has roughly 28 milligrams of caffeine, according to the Mayo Clinic. This is about half of what a cup of black tea contains. Can I drink green tea on an empty stomach? Despite its health benefits, green tea should not be consumed on an empty stomach. You may feel nauseated as a result of doing so. The tannins in the tea are the source of the difficulties. Tannins might cause an increase in stomach acids, making you feel ill and possibly giving you a stomachache. Green tea is best consumed in between meals. Green tea should not be consumed with meals since it may interfere with iron absorption. Are there side effects to drinking green tea? Green tea drinkers may face negative side effects. It's a good idea to cut back if this happens. Remember to gradually increase your daily water intake. On the first day, don't go all out. Moderation is always the best option. Too much green tea, like any caffeine, can make you jittery. Too much caffeine can affect sleep. Dehydration can occur if you drink too much tea because it is a diuretic. Too much green tea can cause headaches. Some people may experience stomach upset. Iron-deficient people should drink green tea 1 hour after meals or in between meals because it may affect iron absorption. How to drink green tea? Did you know that, after water, green tea is the second most popular beverage? Who'd have guessed? Green tea can be served hot or cold, but don't pour boiling water over the leaves right after they've boiled. This will have an effect on the powerful catechins that carry out all of the work. Allow 10 minutes for the boiling water to cool before pouring. Steep for 1 to 5 minutes, depending on personal preference. Benefits of green tea. Number 1. Green tea has fat-burning properties. Increasing your metabolism will make you feel better in general. It's beneficial to your general health when your bodily systems are operating at peak performance. Green tea stimulates fat burning, which means your blood is flowing better, your heart is pumping at the proper rate, and your digestive system is running smoothly. Number 2. Green tea may fight certain cancers. This is significant. After all, we all know someone who has been touched by cancer, and some of us may have even experienced it ourselves. Knowing that green tea may help fight cancer is a good reason to include it in your daily routine. Mouth, kidney, pancreas, stomach, and mammary glands are only a few of the cancers that can be avoided. Number 3. Green tea may help with weight loss. Many people who struggle with their weight discover that it is caused by an accumulation of pounds around their midsection. Green tea may aid in weight loss and, as a result, fat loss. In a study of overweight people, researchers discovered that individuals who drank green tea lost weight and had a smaller waist circumference. Number 4. Green tea can fight cardiovascular disease. When it comes to the leading causes of death, cardiovascular disorders are near the top. Green tea can lower cholesterol levels, which can increase the risk of stroke and heart attack. Green tea can help to decrease LDL, bad cholesterol levels in the blood. Number 5. Green tea may prevent type 2 diabetes. The prevalence of type 2 diabetes is on the rise. It could be owing to today's diets and the fact that we don't get enough exercise. Green tea drinking lowers insulin sensitivity and blood sugar levels, both of which are linked to diabetes. Number 6. Green tea benefits oral health. It's also crucial to look after your teeth. In reality, several illnesses and disorders can be caused by a set of teeth and gums that hasn't been properly cared for. Green tea catechins combat microorganisms in the mouth. Number 7. Green tea protects the brain. Green tea catechins are the true stars of the show. They offer a long list of advantages and have been shown to protect brain neurons. The risk of neurodegenerative disorders is minimized and cognitive impairment is lessened. Number 8. Green tea helps brain function. Green tea contains caffeine, which works as a stimulant. Green tea is believed to increase brain function, including reaction time, mood, and productivity, in addition to making us feel more energized after drinking coffee or tea. Number 9. Green tea fights inflammation. Green tea flavonoids have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Green tea's epigallocatechin gallate possesses anti-inflammatory properties and protects cell DNA. Green tea also has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties that help to reduce inflammation. Number 10. Green tea protects against bone loss. Drinking green tea has been shown in studies to increase mineralization, which leads to bone production. Bone loss may be reduced, and the strengthening of the bones may provide additional protection against osteoporosis. Let us know if you learnt anything new or valuable from this video in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.